In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner, hit Files, and to add an audio one, look for it in one of those apps by hitting Audio at the top or tapping on those three lines at the top left corner. Either way, click on your file. If you want to add a video one, click on Gallery section. Tap on your video here to attach it instantly. Or if you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here and click on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!